How to manage Vimeo notifications on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to manage notifications is easy and fast. Go here to the top, click on your profile, click on edit profile, and now after click on edit profile, all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here to this notifications option and click on it like this. Now all what you have to do is easy. Here you will find many options you can turn on or turn off as you want. For example, if you want daily digits notifications, you can say yes. If you don't want it, click no. For example, newsletter, no or yes, and after you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.